Hi, we are ELa and PHIlipp. We already traveled all the way from Colombia to Argentina with our 2 motorcycles, which we bought in Medellín. On our journey we have survived a -10-degree night in our tent in the Bolivian Andes, managed to escape a desert with a broken motorcycle and 1 liter of water left, pulled our motorcycles for 180 kilometers, crossed many rivers to get to our destination, and interacted with locals to fix tires, make friends and learn about their lives. Our plan is to visit all countries of South America and therefore drive through the Amazonas in Brazil. The question is, will we make it?
So welcome to another week.
Welcome to another week. We are here in front of a panaderia in the no man's land.
Or padaria in Portuguese.
It's a city between Uruguay and Brazil. We will now attempt to cross the border into Brazil.
Hanging to my low stop, hanging up the phone, cause I want what's mine most of the time. Hanging to my hallway, 44 cause I leave what's mine most of the time.
So actually it was no problem to get into Brazil. We didn't even get a tip, like a temporary import permit, which is quite useful for other travelers. So once you go into Brazil, you don't get any document for your motorcycles.
If you have a vehicle which have a frontera...
If you own a vehicle from a country which has a border to Brazil.
Yeah, so when you have a South American vehicle, you just need to get to the aduana when you have an Ecuadorian or Chilean plated bike or vehicle.
My low stop, hanging up the phone, cause I want what's mine most of the time. Hanging to my hallway.
So we reached now a beautiful part of the road. On the right hand side is wetland, on the left hand side is a lake, and the street is directly on top of it. Really beautiful. Just past these crazy animals, I can't remember their name, but we just drove past some caimans. Never seen caimans in the wild before. Over here they are, maybe they come out on the action cam. Over there is the first caiman. Over there is the second caiman. Yeah, just close to the road, they cannot go up here, no problem. So here's the first campground in Brazil. We are already packing everything up again because we will hit the road today to get close to Porto Alegre. Is it Porto Alegre? Close to Porto Alegre. And yeah, we will take a ferry and then drive on a stretch of nearly 300 kilometers. Almost no gas stations. And the owner of the campground recommended us to bring a lot of water, fuel and food, so a little bit off the track. Let's see how well the streets are, because in this region here there was a lot of floods. Maybe we have a lot of water. Will be adventure. Let's go.
Why don't you sit?
Waiting.
Yeah, we came here early as never before at around 9:30 to get to the ferry, and we realized that it will leave at 11. So now the bikes are chilling here and we maybe got half an hour left, and then we can jump over to the other pier.
You and I
as we are driving along this beautiful street, loads of trees, we realized that they attached here plastic bags and cut the trees open, probably to get the juice from the tree. I don't know. If somebody knows for what they will use this stuff, please let us know in the comments. We don't know for what they use it. Maybe for candles or something like that. Maybe someone knows. Put it in the comments. Que saca das árvores?
Isso aqui é produto que nós tira da árvore. Tem
So the guy told me that they are farming here a product, a resin, which is used for the industry, for makeup, cleaning products. So yeah, two types are white and brown, and yeah, they planted all these trees here to farm the resin. Yeah, and on every tree you see these plastic bags. So because we waited so long for the ferry, we arrived quite late here at our destination near Lagoon. So ELa's already ready. We are driving today to Gramado, which is an old colonial town built by German and Italian immigrants 100 years ago. And I will attach a picture now. This is what it looks like. Really beautiful. So we will drive now 200 kilometers and then we should be there. Really excited about the city as so far. Let's hit the road. Night we had heavy rain and until now, like 2 o'clock, it rained. Our tent didn't cope well with the rain. We have a small sea here and underneath our shoes probably also. Yeah. We're now gonna clean the tent and try to get a spray to seal it up properly. Yeah, it's a new tent. Sad story. So we are right now in downtown Gramado.
And this city was founded 1913 by immigrants from Germany and Italy.
Yeah, and now it became a quite touristic hotspot with a lot of restaurants, fondue restaurants.
Yeah, and later on we will try the sequencia de fondue. We will show you.
Sequencia de fondue is cheese fondue, followed by meat fondue,
and then chocolate fondue.
Chocolate fondue.
Celebrating our 2-year travel anniversary.
With what?
With a sequencia de fondue.
have white chocolate and black chocolate, and bananas, pineapple, marshmallows, uvas,
Grapes.
grapes.
Orange, strawberry, melon, and waffles.
Nice. Let's go.
What's the matter with you, rock? Don't you see I need you, rock? You're the Lord, on them days.
So we slept quite bad because we ate so much yesterday, and everything is wet. The tent is soaking. We fixed some holes in the morning because water was coming into the tent. Now we're going closer to Florianópolis, maybe 2 days to Florianópolis. Let's go.